In this video, I'll show you exactly how to pay on Taobao using Alipay. Step 1. Open the Taobao app, log in, and add items you want to your cart. Once you're ready, tap the shopping cart icon. Then, hit checkout at the bottom. Step 2. On the checkout screen, double-check your shipping address and order summary. Then, scroll down and tap on the payment method. Choose Alipay. If this is your first time, Taobao may redirect you to link or authorize your Alipay account. Step 3. Enter your Alipay login details or scan QR code using the Alipay app if promoted. Once linked, confirm the payment details, including your card or balance inside the Alipay. Tap Pay Now or Confirm Payment. Step 4. After successful payment, you'll see a confirmation screen. Your order is now placed, and Taobao will begin to process it. And that's it. You've just paid on Taobao using Alipay.